Welcome to this Vitepos tutorial. We're going to show you the default order status feature, which is only available in grocery mode. If you're new here, hit subscribe and tap the bell to stay updated with our latest videos. If you're already subscribed, thank you for your support. We appreciate you being part of our community. The default order status is a setting in Vitepos that automatically assigns a status to every new order as soon as it's created. This status shows what stage the order is in, like whether it's waiting for payment, being processed, or being completed. Here's a breakdown of common order statuses. Pending payment. This means the order has been created, but payment hasn't been received yet. Processing. Payment is received, and the order is currently being prepared or packaged. On hold. The order is paused, often for manual review or payment verification. Completed. The order has been fulfilled and is ready to be closed out. By setting a default order status, Vitepos helps you automate the first step in managing your orders. Now let's dive into an example to see how to set up and save your default order status in Vitepos. First, go to your Vitepos settings, then dive into the Basic Settings tab and locate the default order status option. Here, you can choose the status you want every new order to start with. For this example, let's say we select processing so that every order moves directly into processing after payment is confirmed. After you've chosen your preferred status, don't forget to click the Save button to apply your changes. Alright, let's dive into the POS system and see how the default order status works. First, go into the POS interface and start by selecting a few products to add to the cart. Once you've chosen your items, proceed to the checkout. After completing the checkout process, you'll see an invoice generated for the order. Here, the default order status you set earlier will be displayed on the invoice. Since we chose processing as our default, this order is automatically marked as processing in the system. Now, let's see how to complete this order. Start by going to the Order module. In the Sale History section, you'll see a list of all your sales orders. Find the Details button in the action bar and click on it to view the order details. From here, you can mark the order as complete. You can use these same steps to complete orders with statuses like pending payment or on hold as well. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more updated videos.